Welcome back. I tell you, these things drive me crazy. Poppers, poppets, push poppers, bubble pops. Fidget toys have become a hit with kids everywhere thanks to TikTok and social media. But any parent will tell you this, keeping them organised at home can be a major headache. Luckily, we've come up with some clever and simple solutions.
Now, Anita, when it comes to kids' toys, it is all about these, the fidgets. It's the latest craze right now, but it can get out of control in the house.
I mean, you have to be hiding underneath a rock if one of your kids does not have one of these in their school bag or in the house right now. There are also items that really get out of control. Things like stuffed toys, as you can see all over the bedroom here, or Nerf guns. I have some really clever solutions to get this toy clutter under control.
First, Anita is showing us how to put fidgets on display.
If you want your kids to be on board with keeping your fidgets organised, you have to give them a place that they'll love and take pride in. So I'm using these sponge caddies. They just stick on with adhesive.
Solution 2, how to keep them hidden away and out of sight.
I'm just using some bits and pieces from dollar shops and things I found around the house that is going to make this the perfect storage solution. And for the poppets, I'm using a $4 file holder from Kmart.
Anita is also using a compartment organiser to keep smaller items safe and secure.
Kids also love trading their fidgets at school or taking it to play with their friends on the weekend. Now, it's all about transporting it, and I don't want a cluttered mess in the kids' school bag. So I picked up this awesome art caddy here from Officeworks. There's a place to store the poppets, and I'm loving this compartment tray at the top. Now, the best thing about this is it locks into place and it's easy for them to transport.
Now, kids also can't get enough of their stuffed toys and they can't part with them, which is the hardest thing for parents, right?
I mean, you'd be surprised. Also, adults don't like to part with them. It's like this sentimental attachment. So what happens? They end up being all over the kids' beds. I've got a much savvier solution for this, and that's using the Kmart back of door basket organiser. It is only $25. It simply hangs on the back of the door, and each basket has a place to display each stuffed toy.
Another clever solution for stuffed toys is to use a beanbag cover. Anita picked this one up from Kmart.
Now, instead of stuffing it full of beans, I'm stuffing it with the stuffed toys. So it actually becomes a chair for the kids to sit and read on as well. How good is that?
So good. Should I test it out?
Yes.
It's not bad.
Finally, how to fix a Nerf gun nuisance.
Oh, wow. Anita, it looks like a battlefield in here. What is going on?
Okay, so this is the problem with Nerf guns. They're big, they're bulky, they're awkward, and any parent will tell you their bullets end up everywhere.
Yeah, I can see that.
One solution I have, if we've actually set up a place to house all these things, the kids will be able to tidy up at the end of the day. Now, for the Nerf gun enthusiast, I want to put them on display. So what I'm using is the Pinnacle pegboards. I picked them up from Bunnings. Once you've attached them to the wall, you're going to install the peg hooks, and you'll choose different heights depending on the size of the guns itself. I've also installed some tote holders here with the baskets in there, so there's a place for the bullets.
Wow, Anita, you have really created a masterpiece here for the kids.
Well, a toy craze does not have to drive a family crazy. There really is a solution for everything.
Oh,
a Nerf
so
gun
much
wall is pretty
better.
accurate, isn't it? I love
That
it.
is cool.
It's
Don't have to
pretty cool.
stand on them.
For more of Anita's organising tips, head to miseonplay.com.au. It is French for just clean your room.
Now's a good time.